how's it going? My name is Auntie Titi, for those of you who know me, and for those of you who do, thank you for joining me in the wig review. Today's review, I'll be doing a collab with my girl Krystle from SimplyKrystlee on YouTube. She does amazing reviews on wigs, glasses, jewelry, and I'll leave a link down in the description of her review of this unit that I'm wearing today. So please go over to her channel, tell her I said hi, and come back to my comment section and let me know what color wig she picked. So if you're here for her channel, I just want to say I hope you consider subscribing, and thank you for coming over and saying hi to me. So without further ado, go ahead and watch me install the wig, and then come back and I'll give you my 2 to 4 cents of whether you should be picking this wig up. Let's go.
Sometimes it's best to walk away, get my feet on solid ground again, obsess about you till the feeling's dead, and then I force myself to forget. Sometimes it becomes too real, and I don't know how to heal the feeling of being replaced, betrayed and burned. Now I'm up in flames. Gonna burn out tonight. Gonna burn it out, let it die. Gonna burn out tonight. Gonna burn it out, let it die. Gonna burn out tonight. Gonna burn it out and let it all die. Gonna burn out tonight. Gonna burn it out, let it die. Watching what I do and say. I'm exhausted, always being blamed, and now I'm conditioned to self-immolate. An unbidden fate, now I'm up in flames. Gonna burn out tonight. Gonna burn it out, let it die. Gonna burn out tonight. Gonna burn it out, let it die. Gonna burn out tonight. Gonna burn it out and let it all die. Gonna burn out tonight. Gonna burn it out, let it die. Gonna burn out tonight. Gonna burn it out, let it die. Gonna burn out tonight. Gonna burn it out, let it die. Gonna burn out tonight. Gonna burn it out and let it all die. Gonna burn out tonight. Gonna burn it out, let it die. Force myself to forget. Force myself to forget. Gonna burn out tonight. Gonna burn it out, let it die. Gonna burn out tonight. Gonna burn it out, let it die. Gonna burn out tonight. Gonna burn it out and let it all die. Gonna burn out tonight. Gonna burn it out, let it die. Gonna burn out tonight. Gonna burn it out, let it die. Gonna burn out tonight. Gonna burn it out, let it die. Gonna burn out tonight. Gonna burn it out and let it all die. Gonna burn out tonight. Gonna burn it out, let it die. Burn it out and let it die. Gonna burn it out and let it die. Gonna burn it out and let it all die. Gonna burn it out and let it all die. Gonna burn it out tonight. Gonna burn it out and let it all die. Sometimes it's best to walk away, get my feet on solid ground again, obsess about you till the feeling's dead, and then I force myself to forget. Sometimes it becomes too real, and I don't know how to heal the feeling of being replaced, betrayed and burned. Now I'm up in flames. Gonna burn out tonight. Gonna burn it out, let it die. Gonna burn out tonight. Gonna burn it out, let it die. Gonna burn out tonight. Gonna burn it out and let it all die. Gonna temptation to self-immolate. An unbidden fate, now I'm up in flames. Gonna burn out tonight. Gonna burn it out, let it die. Gonna burn out tonight. Gonna burn it out, let it die. Gonna burn out tonight. Gonna burn it out and let it all die. Gonna burn out tonight. Gonna burn it out, let it die. Gonna burn out tonight. Gonna burn it out, let it die. Gonna burn out tonight. Gonna burn it out, let it die. Gonna burn out tonight. Gonna burn it out and let it all die. Gonna burn out tonight. Gonna burn it out, let it die. Force myself to forget. Force myself to forget. Gonna burn out tonight. Gonna burn it out, let it die. Gonna burn out tonight. Gonna burn it out, let it die. Gonna burn out tonight. Gonna burn it out and let it all die.
So now that you've watched me install the wig, let me go ahead and tell you some more about the unit. The unit that I have right here, or that I will be reviewing, or we will be reviewing, meaning Krystle and myself, will be the Sensational Loose Deep 24 inches. It is part of their Butter Lace collection. I have Loose Deep 24 inches in the color Balayage Caramel. Balayage Caramel comes with 3 combs, one on this side, one on this side, one in the back, as well as adjustable straps. The unit is a human hair and premium fiber blend. It has full body movement. It has lace that is virtually undetectable. It does blend with most skin tone. It has air-to-air lace with a wide 5-inch deep part area. It is pre-plucked with baby hairs, and it is natural and full and has maximum density. Yeah, so that's the specs of the unit. My thoughts of the unit: love the unit. The lace is gorgeous. The color is amazing. The pattern is absolutely very realistic. I love the unit, but it does remind me of Christmas. I don't know why, but it reminds me of the Christmas glam, getting dressed up. So I might wear this one for Christmas for my birthday, because my birthday and Christmas is like 12 days away. So I just may wear this one for Christmas, because I really do love it. And the color is gorgeous. For me, it is big and friendly. It is big enough friendly because you do not necessarily have to lay down the lace. You could just do the baby hairs, because the lace does blend very beautifully in your skin tone. You could just lay down the baby hairs and you're good to go. It does have a little bit of flyaways, not that much. Go ahead and give it a 9.5 because it does tangle just a little bit, but you really have to be running your fingers through it, I think, for it to tangle. But since it already comes with pre-curled, I don't think there's nothing you need to actually be running your fingers through. But if you do have tangles, I'll say go ahead and put some mousse on there just to soften up the curls, and that will give you an easy manipulation of the hair. I really do love this unit. So now that you have watched my review, what did you guys think about Krystle's review? I know she's gonna slay it and knock it out of the park, because honey, she slay and lays these units. She does not play. When it comes to wig reviews, eyeglass reviews, jewelry reviews, my girl Krystle got it down pat. Again, I have the style, the color Balayage Caramel. This is the Loose Deep 24 inches. It is part of their Butter Lace collection and is human hair and premium fiber blend. So thank you guys for joining me in another wig review. I really do appreciate it. Go ahead and like the video, comment on the video, share the video, and I'll see you in the next wig. Bye.